Only one man could have a podcast this incredible. Welcome to Mr. Strauss Podcast.
For March 21st, on this day in Disney history. On this day in 1975, Disneyland's Mission to Mars attraction opens in Tomorrowland.
Our mission to Mars takes place sometime in the future when a sightseeing trip to the Red Planet is an everyday adventure.
Designed in cooperation with NASA, the show replaces Flight to the Moon, open since 1967. Guests enter a viewing area known as Mission Control, which is modeled after a typical Mission Control Center featuring seated Audio-Animatronic technicians whose backs are to the audience.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our McDonnell Douglas Mission Control Room at Disneyland Spaceport. The Director of Operations has been expecting you, and while we're waiting for our flight to be called, he'll take a few minutes to describe what's going on.
Facing the audience is an Audio-Animatronic named Mr. Johnson, who hosts the show, with film clips about space travel.
Welcome to Mission Control, space travelers.
After the pre-show, guests board their spacecraft, a circular theater with stadium-like seating featuring circular flat screens on the ceiling and floor.
Disneyland Flight 295 to Mars is now ready for boarding at gate number 3.
It is here they experience a trip to Mars and return safely to Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom.
Thank you for flying McDonnell Douglas today, and we hope to see you again soon.